Mexico is a truly diverse country and has everything from beautiful beaches, vibrant nightlife, to a rich cultural scene. If you are thinking about making Mexico your next travel destination but don't know what places to visit, you have come to the right spot. Gorgeous beaches, a delicious culinary scene, festive culture, and ancient pyramids all make Mexico a popular tourist destination. Mexico is a land of color and contrasts. Crowded beaches lead into quiet colonial towns, while resort cities open gateways to jungles ringing with parrots and howler monkeys. Majestic mountains descend to remote deserts. Traditional pueblo houses sit near Spanish haciendas. Ruins of Mayan cities lie excavated outside of modern metropolises. To ensure you plan the very best Mexican travel itinerary possible, check out our list of the best places to visit in Mexico. Five. Cozumel Island. The island of Cozumel has pretty much everything needed for a perfect Mexican getaway. Located 20 kilometers from the Yucatan Peninsula, modern-day travelers are drawn here by the promise of endless sunshine. The top beaches for these sun seekers are Playa San Juan, Playa San Francisco, and Playa Santa Rosa. Many are attracted to Cozumel by the superlative diving experiences to be enjoyed around its coral reefs. These beautiful locations are rich with fish and other marine life, and it's relatively easy to include at least a little underwater activity by booking a diving experience through your resort, or ahead of your travel, or simply grabbing a pair of flippers and a mask when you get here. If you're into serious diving, head to the Palanca Reef on the southwest tip of the island. Here, you'll be rewarded with an undulating seabed that plunges from its shallow spots to depths of 80 meters. A relatively new experience includes diving around man-made landmarks, including sculptures and bronze figures, as well as structures deposited to encourage. 4. Copper Canyon, Mexico's Grand Canyon. It is one of Mexico's most northerly states. It shares the border with New Mexico in the US, is home to one of the country's most visited natural attractions, the stunning Copper Canyon, Barranca del Cobre. Located in a region known as the Sierra Madre Occidental and consisting of a spectacular group of deep canyons, Copper Canyon is in fact larger and deeper than its better-known cousin, the Grand Canyon. Taking its name from the distinctive copper-green coloring along its steep canyon walls, these amazing natural structures were formed by 6 rivers that converge in the Rio Fuerte before draining into the Gulf of California. Thanks to the area's increased popularity as a travel destination, there are numerous options available to those wanting to explore this area of outstanding natural beauty, from scenic rail trips aboard the Ferrocarril Chihuahua al Pacifico to more adventurous excursions by bike or even on horseback. Three. Agua Azul Waterfalls. Agua Azul is breathtaking waterfall located in the state of Chiapas, about 60 kilometers from Palenque. The area boasts a stretch of shallow canyons and cliffs where one can watch the turquoise water plunging down into natural pools. Agua Azul is in the heart of the jungle, which is home to a variety of local flora and fauna and the perfect spot for observing exotic wildlife. 2. Islas Marietas. The Marietta Islands are a group of small uninhabited islands off of the coast of Mexico. The island is home to an abundant marine life population and is a popular location for snorkeling and scuba diving. The government used to conduct military testings on the islands, which created amazing caves and rock formations. One of these caves is nicknamed the Hidden Beach or Beach Love and is frequently featured in travel magazine. Today the islands are a national park and only a few companies are allowed to transport travelers onto the islands. One. Los Cabos. Los Cabos is where the desert meets the sea and the sun shines 350 days a year. The municipal encompasses the towns of Cabo San Lucas, San Jose del Cabo, and the resort corridor that lies between the two. It is the ultimate seaside escape for surfers and divers who come here year-round for its pleasant climate and geography. Los Cabos is also famous for its great golf and sport fishing opportunities, which draws in over 2 million visitors per year. Subscribe to my channel for more videos.